Hello friends, myself Sanjay Singh from Government Engineering College Ajmer. Students, today we will learn a new concept that is stack and subroutines. What is stack? First of all, stack is a group of memory location in the memory that is used for temporary storage of binary information during the execution of program. Means stack is a separate memory, or we can say these are the type of memory that is mainly used for temporary storage of data or information. स्टैक की जो मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है या फीचर है दैट इज लिफो स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट मीन्स the information that is put in last moment that will be read from first. The starting location of the stack is defined by a 16-bit address, and that address is stored in a register, and that register is called stack pointer. That is a space uh, reserved for the stack pointer, and that is usually at the top of memory map. Memory map we have already discussed in yesterday lecture. तो मेमो स्टैक पॉइंटर जो है वो हमेशा टॉप ऑफ द मेमोरी में डिफाइन किया जाता है नॉर्मली. Stack normally goes backward into the memory, so the stack can be initialized anywhere in the memory map, but stack is initialized at the highest memory location so that there will be not be any interface with the program. In 8085 microprocessor, the beginning of stack is defined in the program by using an instruction that is LXI-SP, that is 16-bit. SP is the stack pointer, and stack pointer is a 16-bit register that stores the starting address of stack. तो स्टैक पॉइंटर स्टैक को यूज में लेने से पहले हमें एक स्टैक पॉइंटर डिफाइन करना होगा और पॉइंटर को इनिशियलाइज कराना होगा किसी मेमोरी एड्रेस से. फॉर एग्जांपल, this instruction LXISP 16-bit state that it loads the 16-bit address into the stack pointer that points the top of stack. Now, how the information will be stored in the stack and how the information will be retrieved from the stack. So 8085 microprocessor provides two type of instruction for storing the information onto the stack and to retrieving the information it's from back from stack. The information in the register pair is stored on the stack in reverse order by using instruction push. So there are two instructions. One is push and second one is called pop. Push instruction is used to store the information into the stack, and pop instruction is used to retrieve the information or read the information from stack. The information retrieval from the stack by using the instruction pop. The pop, push and pop both instructions work with a register pair only. So the storage and retrieval of the content of registers on stack follows last in first out sequence. The information in the stack location may not be destroyed until the new information is stored in that memory location. So here is the working of push instruction. For example, we see that LXI SP2099. तो ये इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या कर रहा है, इट डिफाइंस द मेमोरी लोकेशन दैट इज पॉइंटेड बाय द स्टैक, यानी कि स्टैक पॉइंटर को 2099 लोकेशन से डिफाइन किया गया है या इनिशियलाइज किया गया है. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, वी हैव ए डाटा इन HL रजिस्टर पेयर, we have a load a data in HL register pair that is 42F2, that loads the data in HL register pair. Now we execute an instruction that is push H. Push H means push the content of H register. देर आर H मीन्स HL रजिस्टर पेयर, तो H के अंदर क्या है 42, L के अंदर क्या है F2. तो content of HL register pair will be pushed on stack. How this push operation will be carried out? See here, the stack pointer is fetched to push the data on the stack. The stack pointer is decremented by 1. Initially, stack pointer is initialized at 2099. Now, to push the data, we have to decrement, or stack pointer have to be decrement by 1. That is, it must point to 2098. And then the content of H register will be copied into the memory location 2098. Now, because one memory location can store only 8 bit of data, so H register pair के content यानी कि 42 will be stored on that location 2098. 2098 में क्या आएगा 42 आएगा. Now the stack pointer register again decremented by 1, and now it will be point to 2097, and the content of L register are copied into the memory location 2097. The content of register pair HL are not destroyed. However, the HL register pair is made available for delay counter. तो फॉर एग्जांपल एच और ये एल है, तो एच जो है वो पहले स्टोर होगा 2098 पे, एंड एल जो है दैट विल बी कंटेंट ऑफ एल दैट इज F2 will be stored at 2097. So how the push operation will be carried out? Now, how to retrieve the data that is stored on the stack? The content of top of the stack location is shown by the stack pointer. मीन्स कोई भी डाटा जो पहले से स्टोर्ड है, तो जो लास्ट में पुश किया गया था वो डाटा हमेशा टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक पे रहेगा. सो द जब भी हमें कोई डाटा को रीड करना है या पॉप करना है, तो टॉप ऑफ स्टैक पे जो डाटा है दैट विल बी रीड फर्स्ट और दैट विल बी रिट्राइव्ड फर्स्ट, बिकॉज it follows the LIFO structure. The content of top of stack location is shown by stack pointer are copied into L register, and stack pointer register is incremented by 1. For example, we see that when pop H operation will be this one, pop H operation will be execute, then first the content of top of stack that is copied into H register, पहले जो है वो L रजिस्टर पेयर जो ऊपर था वो कॉपी होगा, एंड देन H रजिस्टर पेयर कंटेंट ऑफ, और हर बार कॉपी होने के बाद में जो स्टैक पॉइंटर है वो इंक्रीमेंट होता जाएगा. यानी कि ये डाटा यहाँ से जैसे ही पॉप होगा, द स्टैक पॉइंटर दैट इज pointing to 2097 will be incremented and now points to 2098. Now 2098 पे जो डाटा है 42 that will be popped up, and now the stack pointer points to 2099 after incrementation. So during the pushing, stack operates decrement on store style, यानी कि पुश ऑपरेशन के अंदर स्टैक पॉइंटर जो है वो डिक्रीमेंट होता रहेगा, and the stack pointer will be decremented first, then the information will be placed on the stop. During the popping operation, the stack operates used an increment style, means the information is retrieved from the top of the stack and then the pointer is incremented. The stack pointer always points to the top of the stack. For example, we have to push a PSW. PSW का मतलब होता है प्रोग्राम स्टेटस वर्ड. प्रोग्राम स्टेटस वर्ड के अंदर दोनों ही चीजें आती है, एक्यूमुलेटर भी आता है और फ्लैग रजिस्टर भी आता है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव टू पुट द PSW on the stack. For example, we use push PSW. This is 1 byte instruction. So it decrement the stack pointer, copy the content of register A यानी कि accumulator to the memory location pointed by stack pointer. तो इनिशियली स्टैक पॉइंटर सपोज करें पॉइंट कर रहा है इसको FFFE को. नाउ द एक्यूमुलेटर कंटेंट विल बी कॉपीड into this location, then the content of flag register will be copied into the next memory location after decrement operation. जैसे हमने पुश किया है वैसे ही PSW को हम पॉप भी कर सकते हैं. पॉप के केस में पहले फ्लैग रजिस्टर पॉप होगा, देन एक्यूमुलेटर के कंटेंट पॉप होंगे, और आफ्टर पॉप ऑपरेशन द स्टैक पॉइंटर विल बी incremented. Now, a second subtopic that we will cover today, that is subroutine. Subroutine and stack का एक क्लोज रिलेशन है. क्या रिलेशन है अभी हम देखेंगे. A subroutine is a group of instructions written separately from the main program to perform the function that occur repeatedly in the main program. अगर कोई functions या कोई डाटा या कोड ऑफ डेटा बार बार किसी प्रोग्राम में काम में आ रहा है तो उसको हम थ्रू सबरूटीन रखते हैं. When a main program call a subroutine, the program execution is transferred to the subroutine after the completion of subroutine. The program execution returns to main program and the microprocessor use a stack to store the return address of the subroutine. So 8085 microprocessor have two instructions for dealing with the subroutine, that is call and return. Call instruction is used to redirect the program execution to the subroutine, and return instruction is used to return to the main program or the end of the subroutine. Call instruction कैसे काम करता है. Call instruction के लिए हम call and यहाँ पे 16 बिट का एड्रेस सप्लाई करते हैं. तो call subroutine is conditionally located at the memory address specified by the 16-bit operand. This instruction places the address of the next instruction of the stack and transfer the program execution to the subroutine address. Return address is another address that is return instruction is the instruction that is put at the end of the subroutine. When the return instruction is called, it signifies that it is the end of subroutine, and at the end of subroutine the program counter should return back to the main program. This instruction locates the return address on the top of the stack and transfer the program execution back to the calling program. The call instruction is a 3-byte instruction. Second byte specifies the lower byte, and third byte specifies the higher order byte of the subroutine address. The return instruction is 1-byte instruction. The call instruction must be used in conjunction with the return instruction in the subroutine. The stack pointer register must be initialized, preferably at the highest memory location in the memory, and the call instruction should be used in the main program accompanied by the return instruction in the subroutine. कॉल जो है वो कंडीशनली भी हो सकता है और अनकंडीशनली भी हो सकता है. ये दोनों चीजें हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. सबरूटीन के बारे में थोड़ा सा और हम डिस्कस करेंगे. दैट विल बी कवर्ड इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. सो टुडे वी विल स्टॉप हियर. थैंक यू सो मच.